your one dimensional. This is the declaration function. Hashtag include. This is the representative input output function. This is the declaration. Filter function is used to fill the function. Here we enter the size of element. Scanning function is used to create the function. Percentage d is the format vector of integer and address of this integer and 0. Reverse of one dimensional integer array. So the reverse there is a condition reverse array. With I equal to n minus 1 and I greater than equals to 0. The condition is the value is incremented. This is the problem of reverse of integer one dimensional.